Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle knot. First, hold your rope and find the working end. Create a small loop by crossing the working end over the standing part. Ensure the loop is open enough to pass the rope through easily. This initial step is crucial for the knot's structure. Keep your grip firm, but relaxed as you prepare for the next movement. Now, take the working end and wrap it around the standing part of the rope, moving away from the initial loop. Then, bring that same working end back through the first loop you formed. This action starts to interlock the rope, creating the knot's core. Pull gently on both ends to snug the knot, but do not tighten it completely yet. You should see the basic circular shape emerging. To tighten your circle knot, pull both the working end and the standing part simultaneously and evenly. This ensures the knot cinches down uniformly and securely. Once tightened, give it a firm tug to test its stability and make sure it holds. A well-tied circle knot should not slip or deform under pressure. Remember, practice makes perfect for consistent results. Keep practicing your circle knots. Repetition is key to mastering them. You'll find this knot incredibly useful for various tasks, from securing gear while camping to creating decorative elements in crafts. It's a fundamental skill that offers great versatility. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy knot tying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.